We concluded our previous session by asking the students to identify the names of the objects that we have brought in the classroom. Now, moving forward with the activity, inform the students that they would now have to measure different quantities of these objects using the weighing scale and weights. Tell them, one by one, we will take out different quantities of the things to measure, such as rice, potatoes, biscuits. Let us measure each object with different weights available. Show the students the different quantities measured. Mention their numerical quantity along with the unit of measurement. Make sure that you start with smaller quantities like 250 grams, 500 grams, and then gradually ascend to higher quantities. Tell the students that we will now add more objects and use bigger measures. Thereafter, move on to bigger quantities such as 1 kilogram and 2 kilograms. Allow the students to associate the physical quantity of objects with the weight in numerical units. Now, conclude by discussing weighing scales with the students. Tell them that a weighing scale has two parts. One part of the scale has weights, the other side of the scale has a box for objects to be placed. When the box is lower than the weights, it means that the objects in the box are heavier than the weight. On the other hand, when the box is higher than the weights, it means the objects in the box are lighter than the weight. And lastly, if the box is at level with the weight, the objects in the box are as heavy as the weight. With this, we have come to the end of period 1 of this lesson. Do stay tuned for the next interesting session.